If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're tired of losing trades, second guessing yourself, or staring at the screen wondering what went wrong again. You've learned the strategies, you've watched the tutorials, you know how to read a chart, but deep down, something still feels off. The truth is, most traders don't fail because of bad technical analysis. They fail because of something much more dangerous, something they ignore until it's too late, their own mind. Fear, greed, impatience, overconfidence. These aren't just emotions. They are account killers. Every blown account, every missed opportunity, every sleepless night comes down to one thing, your psychology. And that's why this channel exists. Welcome to Mindset of Markets, a channel built for traders who are ready to master the inner game of trading. Here, we talk about the stuff no one teaches you: how to stay calm under pressure, how to build bulletproof discipline, how to recover after a crushing loss, and how to build a mindset that survives every market. I've been there, staring at losses, over trading out of frustration, questioning if I was even cut out for this. But when I stopped obsessing over strategies and started focusing on my mindset, everything changed.